everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the CVS, and CVS has the big hair event that started this week. It's probably going to be this week and next week. This week we do have a 10 off of 40 CRT. Now if you can't find it in your account, what I did is I searched the keyword in the coupon area for hair, scrolled all the way to the bottom, and it wasn't there. And then a couple hours later I redid the same thing, and then boom, it was magically there. So that's just one way to do it. Sometimes you can log into like the CVS on a desktop, and it will bring it up too that way, and you can send it to your card, or you can print it in store from a red box machine. There are just a couple ways to do it, just in case you're having an issue finding it. There is a printable breakdown with all of like the 4 deals basically I feel like there is this week. I mean, there's more than 4, but with the big hair event, I feel like that's what they focus on. So without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. One of the non-hair care deals is on Colgate this week. They're on promotion for buy 2 get $4 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $3.99. So you can grab 2 of your favorite ones for that price. Then we have, your total for 2 of them will be $7.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $4.98 at the register. It's one of those day, guys, where I'm gonna have problems talking, so just bear with me. But anyway, so you get $4 in extra bucks for buying 2, make them 98 cents for both. We have really good savings on Axe deodorant. You can grab the sprays or the sticks. The sticks are obviously cheaper. They're on promotion for buy 2 get $4 in extra bucks, and they're $6.29 at my store for the cheaper 2. So grabbing 2 will be $12.58. We have a $6 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $6.58 at the register. We'll get the $4 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $2.58 for both. So one of y'all, Roberta, messaged me on Messenger telling me to check for Dove Kids clearance. I found some. There's only one left though, but it looks like there was these were body washes, I'm assuming, and then it's only the conditioner. I just scanned the shampoo. It's full price. The conditioner is on clearance for $2.14. If you can find 2 of them or one of these curl ones, grab 2 of them for $4.28, and it attaches to the $4 off of 2 digital coupon, which would make them 14 cents each. My store only has 1, so unfortunately that just sucks for me. Apparently, check your Ollie body wash. It might be hitting clearance. I scanned all of mine. All of mine are still full price, but check yours as well, I was told. Check your clearance trial and travel section for these copper tone sport little face and body like sunscreen sticks. I don't see an expiration date. Oh yes, I do. Hold on. So these ones at my store don't expire until 4 of 28. It's really hard to see, but yeah, they all show up as that, so they're good for quite some time. And for $3, I don't think that's bad. Maybelline products are on promotion for buy 2 get $6 in extra bucks, and the cheapest way to do this deal is to grab these single eyeshadow palette things. And they're $4.99. So grabbing 2, for example, your total will be $9.98. We have a $4 CRT everyone got this week, so you pay $5.98 at the register. Get the $6 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them both completely free. This week we do have a gift card deal. I'll pop it up on the screen. There's nothing over here. I mean, there's last week's deal, which I didn't even know about. I totally missed it. But it's on, I think, like 5 different brands. So it's spend $50, get $10 in extra bucks. This week I was hoping we'd have a better PG promotion, but I guess I was wrong. So this week it's spend $25, get $5 in extra bucks. So some of the deals, or some of the things you can grab, are the Tide Pods that are $5.49, and there's a $1 digital coupon. Don't grab the liquid now, it's on sale for $6.99. That's too expensive in my opinion. You can grab the Tide Pods that are $12.99. There's a $3 digital coupon. My store already sold out of these at 30% off, which I think is crazy, but whatever. It looks like we have a, I don't know, Tide HE. Oh, that doesn't go there. None of that does. Anyway, $12.99 for the Tide, and there's a $3 digital coupon for the liquid. We also have some Charmin included. This is on sale for $9.99, and there's a $1 digital coupon. We have two different bounties, I guess. One has cute little prints on it. It looks like they're the same size. I thought this one would just be smaller because it's got cute prints. Anyway, $9.99, $1 digital coupon. So a super quick and easy scenario that you can do is to grab a Charmin, a Bounty, and one of the Tide Pods. For grabbing these three products, your total will be $25.47. We have a $1 digital coupon for all of them. So that means you'll be left to pay $22.47 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for spending $25, making them $17.47 for all three. Or another way to do this deal is to grab one of the Tide liquids and then one of the Tide Pods that are $12.99 each, and your total will be $25.98. So we're well over that $25 mark. We have a $3 digital coupon for each product, so you'll be left to pay $19.98 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for spending the $25, make them $14.98 for both. All right, so let's get into the spend 40 get $10 off CRT that everyone is going to be using this week. This is the best way to stock up on hair care. All right, so the first deal is on the sexy hair. The big spray and play harder, or the big spray and stay. They are $8.99, and they're part of a promotion for buy two get $10 in extra bucks, and it includes salon quality hair products. So it's like this whole section here, I believe. But if you grab two of them, they are $17.98. There's no coupons. You'll get the $10 extra buck, making them $7.98 for both. Or the cheaper way to do this deal is to grab two of these Chi iron guards. These are $6.99, same promotion. So grabbing two of the $6.99 price will be $13.98. Get the $10 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $3.98 for both. So Garnier Fruit Teas is on promotion, two for $9. And when you buy two, you'll get $3 in extra bucks. So grab your two favorite ones. My store is like almost completely gone, but your total will be $9. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $6 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $3 for both. Now, the Fruit Teas is its own promotion this week, so they are separate. As you can see, this one says whole blondes and the other one says Fruit Teas. So grab like same promotion, essentially two for $9, buy two get $3. So grab two. Like these are literally the only two left at my store. But anyway, grabbing two will be $9. We have a separate $3 digital coupon, so you pay $6 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $3 for both as well. OGX Hair Care is on promotion for buy one get one 40% off. Buy two get $2 in extra bucks, and they're $8.29 for the cheaper items. They can go up in price, so just be careful on what you're grabbing. But grabbing two at the $8.29 price will be $13.26. We have a $6 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7.26 at the register, but get the $2 in extra bucks for buying two and make them $5.26 for both. Pantene Hair Care is on promotion for buy two get $4 in extra bucks, and they're $5.49. So grabbing two products, your total will be $10.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you pay $7.98 at the register, but we'll get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $3.98 for both. Dove is the better promotion for buy two get $5 in extra bucks, and they're $5.79. So grabbing two of them will be $11.58. We have a $4 digital coupon for the Dove. You'll be left to pay $7.58 at the register. Get the $5 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $2.58 for both. L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care is on promotion for buy two get $3 in extra bucks, and these ones are on sale two for $11. So grab 2 for $11. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $8 at the register. Get the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $5 for both. Y'all, I'm surprised this is even tagging my store like this. It is true, but it's on these humectress masks. They're $6.99, and when you buy 2, you'll get the $8 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 will be $13.98. There's no coupons that attach to it, but you'll get the $8 in extra bucks, making them $5.98 for both. If y'all need hair care or hair color, you can grab the Schwarzkopf keratin root ones. The cheapest option are these two at $12.99. You'll have to grab 2 of them for $25.98. We do have a $6 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $19.98 at the register. Then you'll take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2.50. The offer is a limited one, unfortunately. Then we'll submit 2 swag bucks for 700 swag bucks when buying 2. Just make sure the color you're grabbing does work for the offer. Then we'll get the $4 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $6.48 for both. Or if you need a cheaper option, you can grab the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root colors. These are on promotion for buy 2, get $6 in extra bucks, and they're $8.49. So grabbing 2 of them will be $16.98. We do have a high value $8 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $8.98 at the register. Get the $6 in extra bucks for buying 2, make them $2.98 for both. So for our first scenario, these are 6 products that we grab. If you could find a second cheap product, we're going to pretend like there is one there. But grabbing all 6 products, our total will be $41.22 at the register. The only coupon out of this scenario is for the OGX, and it's $6. Plus, we have the $10 CRT that everyone got this week for spending $40. So that means you'll be left to pay $25.22 at the register, but we'll get a total of $20 in extra bucks. We have $8 for the Nexus, $10 for the 2Chi, and $2 for the OGX, making all 6 products just $5.22. Our second scenario will be grabbing all 6 of these products. Our total for all 6 of these will be $41.96. Now remember, we have the $8 digital coupon for the hair dye and the $3 digital coupon for the L'Oreal Elvive, plus the spend $40 get $10 off CRT everyone got this week. You'll be left to pay $20.96 at the register, but we'll get $6 for the Magic Earth hair dye, $8 for the Nexus, and then $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive, making all 6 products just $3.96. So this is our last scenario that I put together. So this is the best one out of all of them. Fortunately, I'm just going to have to mix and match because that's what my store has. But grabbing all 8 products, our total will be $40.54. Now remember, for the whole blends, we have a $3 digital coupon. And for the fruities, we have a $3 digital coupon. The Dove has a $4 digital coupon. And the Pantene has a $3 digital coupon. Plus, we have our spend $40, get $10 off CRT. We'll be left to pay $17.56 at the register, but we'll get $3 in extra bucks for the whole blends, $3 in extra bucks for the fruities, $5 in extra bucks for the Dove, and $4 in extra bucks for the Pantene, making all 8 products just $2.56. Alright guys, just a friendly heads up, not all of the Dove items scan and attach to that $4 digital coupon. I scanned this one. I know this is the old style bottle, does not attach. I was going to grab 2 of the shampoos of these coconut and hydration, do not attach. This Bond Strength, it attaches. There's only 1 of those left. Like, that's all the Dove my store has, except for the really expensive stuff. So I'm going to switch up the deal. So this is how I'm going to do the deal now. My total will be $42.96, substituting 2 of the Nexus hair masks. We have $9 in coupons, so I'll pay $23.96 at the register. It will make all 8 products just $5.96. Now, this is not the deal I wanted to do, but it is great savings. And I actually use the Nexus hair masks, so it works out in my favor. Y'all, I was about to check out and I'm like, oh, let me check the food real quick. This Jack Link's Duo, 87 cents on clearance. I can't eat this, but it is definitely a great deal for 87 cents. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I only did the big hair care deal plus the free Maybelline because that's honestly all I needed this week. So as you can see, that's literally everything I grabbed on my receipt. Plus, like I said, my store is like really low. I talked to the cashier who worked yesterday. She said she worked yesterday. And there was like a whole bunch of couponers that came. She said there was like 4, which is a whole bunch to me because there's like 4 major ones in my city that I compete against for deals basically. But that's okay. I mean, to each their own. I could have came yesterday and grabbed the deals, but I go to Walgreens on Sunday, so maybe I grabbed something at Walgreens that they wanted. Now they can't grab it because I grabbed it. Whatever. Anyway, also, if you hear me talking funny, I got a crown put on last Tuesday. I forgot to take ibuprofen before coming here, so it's a little sore. So yeah. Anyway, so for digital coupons, we have the $3 for the Pantene, $3 for the Fructis, $3 for the Whole Blends, the 10 off of 40, and the $4 for the Maybelline. I blinked there. Now remember, for the the Nexus, there is no digital coupon for those. Then I rolled a whole bunch of extra bucks because I had them all. So my subtotal was even amount, just 6 whole doll hairs. So that's all I swiped my card for. Then I received, what is this one? Okay, $3. This one is for the Fructis. Then I received $3 for the Whole Blends. No. $4 for the Pantene. $6 for buying the 2 L'Oreal. The makeup, I should rephrase, and the makeup. And then $8 for buying the 2 Nexus. So all my coupons came off, all my register rewards printed. Plus I have my card linked on Rakuten, so I'll earn, I think it's 2% right now, which is a couple pennies. But like I tell you guys, every time a couple pennies add up every time. All you have to do is, it's annoying, but all you have to do is relink your card every time. Oh, not your card, but there's an in-store tab that you have to go through and activate it every time. I don't know why it doesn't stay active, but whatever. I'm not mad. It's worth a couple pennies every time to me because it takes like 2 seconds. But I hope you guys get to score some of these amazing hair care deals. Hopefully we might get some new coupons next week. Otherwise, I don't know. I will definitely come back. I mean, I have another CVS account and my store will get a truck between now and then, but we'll see what's left. Maybe I'll be grabbing some more Nexus hair, like the masks. I really like those. I think they work really well. So if you guys have the opportunity to grab those to try it out, I definitely would. But thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.